Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about vaccination and the mechanism of action for vaccination. Vaccination or immunization is possible against some bacterial and viral pathogens, for example, tuberculosis, hepatitis, and typhoid. A vaccine is made of a harmless form of bacteria or virus, which is then introduced to your body. Once introduced to your body, the B cells will make antibodies so that if the microbe is encountered again, it will be remembered by the memory cells. So, how does the vaccination work? There are actually three mechanisms of vaccination. Number one, a harmless or weakened form of a microbe is introduced so that it can cause very mild disease symptoms and trigger the immune response. For example, tuberculosis. Number two, a killed microbe is introduced so that it can trigger the immune response but cannot induce a disease. Number three, an inactivated toxin is introduced so that it can trigger the immune response. However, what do we call the immunity acquired by the vaccine? Immunity produced by a vaccine is called artificial acquired immunity. Immunity acquired as a result of catching a disease normally is called active immunity. Natural passive immunity can occur in the uterus when the fetus acquires immunity from his mother, whereas the artificial passive immunity is a short-term remedy for disease. It is important to know that immunization or vaccination against one pathogen does not produce immunity to a different pathogen. This is because different pathogens have different antigens. Vaccination against a particular pathogen will only result in memory cells in the blood for the antigens of that pathogen, but not for the others.